right, let me see if I can walk you through how to share a document with your students or how to include a document. So let me go ahead and share my desktop here. So let's see, when you're in Word, for example, when you're in Canvas, what you do is you have your home page here, go to the modules. You're going to select the very first module where you want to put this content in a page, right? So let's say that it was right here, Distance Education News. What you do is you hit the plus button and then you create a page. So let's call this sample homework. I'm not sure what you want to call it. And we're going to add the item. So now anything that you add will always go to the bottom, but you can move it. So you can move it up, you can move it to another module if you want. So once you're in that, you click on the item you just created, which is a page. You hit edit. And this is where you're going to include that page. It would be easier if you could just type out the information here. But if you already have it somewhere and you just want to upload it, then the suggestion is that you go ahead and type AKA look at this helpful handout, right? So we're going to go ahead and highlight helpful handout, right? We're going to scroll to where it says links, files, and images. Click on files. Scroll a little bit down. Click on upload a new file. Scroll. Click on choose file. And then it'll take you to your computer. So let's say that this is going to be my file. My file happens to be an image, but let's say it's that. Do I have any other thing that could be an easy file? Let's see, because I want to make sure that it's like a file. All right, how about this? We're going to go ahead and select instead. See, I'm being too cautious here. I should have just gone with that one. All right, let's see. Recent. I'm getting too fancy for my own well-being here. PS getting started. Welcome. Let's say it's a welcome letter. This is not even my welcome letter, but let's say it's a welcome letter. Okay, then we click on open, right? And now very important, we need to hit this upload button. It's the one that I'm putting my cursor over at the bottom, upload. When we hit the upload button, we notice those three dots, and we also notice that it pops up yellow right here. So right, now that we've done that, we can go ahead and save. And now the handout is there. This is the simplest way to explain this. So then the students can go ahead and pop it open, or they could also download the document. So that's one way to do it. Now, it's the best way and the recommended way. But say that you only want to send them the document. You can do that, or you can place it in an announcement. If you go to home, and I think we've already set up your page so that you have announcements. So you click on announcements, click on announcements here, add announcements here, give it a title, sample announcements, let's say, and then you follow the same process. So helpful handout, let's say, then you go ahead and highlight that, and you're going to scroll a bit to the bottom where you have links, files, and images. Click on files, and then pick on a file. Like, you might already have it here if you've uploaded it already, but let's say you're not sure and you want to make sure that it's the right one. Then you click on upload a new file, you scroll slightly down, click on choose file, right? And then you're going to actually choose a file. So let's say here that we're going to choose MLA template. So we open that and we upload. Very important to hit that upload button. So we upload, we get three dots, and then we'll see that highlight. And then we go ahead and save. I'm not going to save this right now because this is an actual class and I don't want students or anybody to get this right now. But then you would hit the save button and then it would go up. Let me see, maybe if I hit delay, let me delay it for just until 10 p.m. and then I can delete it before anybody gets it. So let me go ahead and hit save. And now the students in their announcement will now have this handout that they can either download by clicking on it there, or they can click on the little magnifying glass and then it could pop open here. So those are two ways of sending students or giving students a document. It can be in the announcement. If it's in the announcement, that means that it also goes to wherever they set their notifications and then they can see it. And if they can't open it there, at least it's telling them to come to announcements. All right, so I'm going to stop share here. I do have to go back to my documents here and make sure that that doesn't send out, because I wouldn't want that. They would be so lost. They're like, what is going on here? Let me see here, sample, cancel. Let me see, maybe I can delete it before I let you go. So let's see here. Let me delete that here. Okay, delete it. And then I'll go back and see if I can get rid of that other stuff because I don't want any of that to be there, just being weird. So remove. Okay, well, I hope that helps. I mean, take it bit by bit, pause it, so that you can see what it is that I've done here. All right, take care. Bye.